Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And it is a exciting video. We are doing my YouTube paycheck. I got paid. This is number 2 and we got paid on August 26th. And I'm super excited. Thank you to everybody. I wouldn't be getting paid unless it was because of you guys. So thank you again for watching and subscribing and supporting me throughout this whole journey. But anyways, before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below if you enjoy budgeting videos, Subscriber Saturdays where I interact with you guys, or YouTube paychecks like these. I do a lot of stuffing videos, so let me know if you are a new subscriber or a returner. And let's just get right into it because it's super excited. So, like I said, we got paid on August 26th and we got paid $101. It was actually like a couple of change, but I just left the change in the bank. So we got paid $101. So as always, if you are a YouTuber and you get paid, you always want to take out taxes, because come the first of the year when you're doing your taxes and you get paid from YouTube, I'm not sure if it has to be like a threshold, like you have to you know, earn a certain amount of income to claim the taxes. I'm not sure. If you know, if you've been in the YouTube community for a very long time and you get paid, let me know down below how it works. But essentially, a lot of people that I do watch take out 20% of their taxes. So we're going to do $101 times 20%, and that is like $20.20. So we're just going to put $20. I can round up 20 cents out of my jar or something like that. So we're just going to put $20. All right, and moving on, these are the envelope stuffings that I'm going to be doing. So we have taxes, YouTube, wedding, and debt. So super excited. I want to focus on debt and wedding for my YouTube paycheck, and also my YouTube, because I've been putting money back because I really do want to save up for a camera. Now, if you have any suggestions on what kind of camera that I should use that has a great focus like this, I've been recently using my camera off of my phone and it's like, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. But I mean, it's very hard to upload videos from my phone and it's just getting very stressful. So let me know what your recommendations are for a different camera. All right, so stuffing wise, for taxes, we're going to do $20. YouTube, we're going to put $20. Wedding will be $31. Debt will be $30. And we are just going to total all of this up to make sure that it equals to $101. So 20 plus 20 plus 31 plus 31, not 31, sorry, plus 30 equals $101. All right, you guys, so that is what we are going to be stuffing. Now, let me get just the money out and set it aside. All right, so let's get to stuffing and then we can count everything. And let me just draw some arrows just to let y'all know what the total is. And this one I'm going to leave blank because hopefully I'll be doing a updated debt snowball soon. Super excited about that. All right, so first off is taxes. Like I said, if you are a YouTuber, you want to be putting back 20%. Is just what I heard. All right, so $20, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So $45 is how much we have. 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So $45 for YouTube taxes. So that is good. I'm going to do more research on the threshold when you have to do some taxes or write it off on the taxes. So I will let y'all know if I figure anything out with that. Next is YouTube for my YouTube channel. So just to improve, you know, quality, you know, that this goes towards like buying pens or a new planner at the end of the year, stuff like that. So $50, $60, $70. Next up is wedding. So wedding's going to get $31. 20, 30, and 1. Okay, and we are actually going to count this. Now, if you've seen my stuffing video, you know that we just recently counted this. And I'm not sure when this video will be going up, but when you are watching this, I have used some of this money already because there is a great deal on the groomsmen's gifts that I cannot pass up. So we are going to go and buy that so we can just check mark it off of our list. All right, so $31 was added. So we have 1, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, and 1. So 1, 2, 3, and $1. So $301 is how much we have in wedding so far. Now that is super exciting. And then last but not least is a debt. So I will be depositing this in my bank account and making a $30 deposit on my debt. So I am working on a student loan for right now, the first student loan out of 4. So I have a total of roughly about $6,000. So we are going to be putting that towards there. And that is it, you guys. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Thank you again for everybody who has been subscribing to my channel, commenting. I know I'm the worst at commenting half the time, but I do read your comments and I pretty much like respond in my head. That's how I do all my text messages. That's why nobody texts me anymore. So anyways, thank you again. If you would like to see a paycheck number 3, that I will do. I absolutely love doing this. I love watching where my paycheck goes, and I would love for y'all to watch where it goes also, because essentially this is y'all's money, and the YouTube can be, I will be using it mostly for, you know, updating my channel like I said, but also to do giveaways. And if I absolutely love giving stuff away to you guys because y'all are the real MVP and I love you guys so much. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great day or week whenever I posted this, and I love you guys and I'll see you guys later. Bye.